Good morning students. Today we are going to learn new concept decimals. Already we have learned the decimals in the last year, is it? So unit 4 decimals. Okay. So what is the meaning of decimals? A number represented in the form of decimals from 0 to 9. Okay, from 0 to 9. That is the fraction with the denominator by tens, hundreds, thousands and so on are known as the decimals. So what is the definition of the decimals? The fraction with denominator ten, hundred, thousands and so on, okay, and so on are known as decimals. Okay, so what is the meaning of decimals? A fraction, okay, fraction with the denominator, 0, 10, 100, 1000 and so on. That's meaning is power of tens are known as the decimals, okay. So already you know that it has two parts. One is the whole part, another one is in decimal part, okay. It has two parts. The whole number parts and the decimal parts, okay, separated by decimal point, okay, separated by a decimal point. So what is the definition of decimal? The fraction with the denominator, the power of tens and so on as known as the decimals. It has two parts, the whole number part and the decimal part. It's separated by a decimal point. This is a whole number part, is it? For example, decimal point 7. Okay, this is called the whole number part. This is called the decimal part. This is called decimal point. Okay, I hope you are clear this concept. Okay, now see the place value chart for the decimals. Okay, place value chart. Place value chart. Okay, Amma. Already you know the whole number part place value chart, is it? So which are the parts having the decimals? First one is whole number part, and next one is decimal point, okay, and next one decimal parts. Okay, listen carefully. This also we have learned in the last year. Okay, just recapitulate. The first one is ones, is it? Ones. And next one is tens. And next one, thousand. Sorry, hundred. And next, thousand. And next one, 10,000. Okay. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. 10,000. Here the decimal parts represent the place value on the right side of the decimal point or right side, okay, or the 10th place. How to say? 10th. Okay, here tens, 10th. T-E-N-T-H. 10th place. Okay, 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place. Okay, how to read it? The first one is 10th place. Second one is read as the 100th. 100th place. Next one is 1000th place. You have added TH with, okay. So first place is 10th place. It's denote the 10th. 10th means 1 by 10. 10th place means 1 by 10. And second one, 10th after 100th. 100th place, 1 by 100. Okay. And then 1000. 1000th place. So 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000. And then 10,000th. 1 by 10,000th. Okay, 1 by 10,000th place. Okay, for example, we have considered the number 43251.2345. Okay, so how to read the decimal part? 10th, 100th, 1000th, 10,000th. Okay, how to read the decimal number? 43,251 point. After the decimal point, how to read? 2341. Okay, it can written in the individually. Okay, each number represent say individual 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number is 43,251 point. Okay, 0.2345. I hope you understood. Okay, now see the example 1. Okay, example 1. Add. Last year we had learned the how to add the decimal numbers and subtract the decimal numbers. Okay, so see, add the following: 150.25, 917.23 and 101.623. Okay, first here, unlike decimals are given. Here after the decimal point 2 decimal parts are there. Here 2, here 3 is there. So first you have to change the like decimals. Convert the like decimals. So added 0 in these two numbers. Okay, so conversion. Unlike decimals to like decimals. So change 150.250 okay, and 917.230 and 101.623. Now after the decimal point, having the three decimal numbers. Now we can add 150.250 and 917.230 and 101.623. Add 3 10 0 1 and then 5 6 11 9 6 so answer is 1169.103. okay, now see the example 2. Example 2. Subtract 105.65 from 200. okay, so from 200 means 200 lerundu you have to subtract 105.65. okay, so solution. First change to the converting the unlike decimal into like decimal. okay, so unlike decimal is 200, is it 200.00 and 105.65. now subtracted from 200, so 200.00 105.65 is equal to subtract 5 3 4 9, so 94.35. so 200 minus 105.65 is equal to 94.35. okay, right. Now see the revision exercise. okay, revision exercise. They convert the following decimal into the fraction. Convert the following decimal into the fraction. Decimals are given, change to the fraction. See, revision exercise. First one, convert the following decimal into the fraction. So first one, A 2.25 is given. 2.25 is given. So convert into the fraction. So what we do? So after the decimal point, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So you have to multiply in the numerator and denominator, the 100th place. okay, so numerator and denominator multiplied by 100. okay, now multiply the numerator, what we get? 225 by 100. okay, we have to write in the rational number, that is a fraction. okay, so it cancel in the which table? 5 table. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are here, 5 2s are 20. okay, again it cancel in the 5 table, is it? 5 9s are here, 5 4s are. It can return us in the mixed fraction. 4 2s are 8, that's 1 9 by 4 is the answer. okay, B1 is homework. B1 is homework. And C, 10.75. So it's also multiply here the after the decimal point is 100th. So numerator and denominator multiplied by 100. So 1075 by 100. It's also cancel in the 5 table. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. Remaining 2 5 5s are here. 5 2s are 10. 20. It's also cancel in the 5 table. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. 5 3s are 15. So 43 by 4. It can return in the mixed fraction. 4 times of 10 is 40 plus 3. So 10 3 by 4 is the answer for this problem. Okay. Now move to the remaining problems of homework. And second one, convert the following fractions into the decimals. Fractions into the decimals. So first one, 1 by 2 is given. So mixed fraction is given. We want to change the improper fraction. So 3 by 2 is it? 2 1s are 2. 2 1 plus 3. 3 by 2. It can written in the how to find out 1.5 using the division method is it? You will write in the rough work area 3 2 times. So how many times is possible? 2 1s are 2. Remaining 1. Added 0. The numerator put the decimal. So how many times? 5s are. So 1.5 is the answer. Okay. So B homework and C problem. 121 by 5. Mixed fraction is given. You have to change the improper fraction. So multiple of this 120 by 5. Okay. 0. So 60. 12 5 is a 60. So plus added 1. 101. So 601 by 5. 601 by 5. How do you calculate? 120 into 5, 600. 600 plus 1 is 601. Okay. It cancel. You will draw the long division method. 601 by 5 as usual. Normal division. Okay. 1, 0. So how many times is possible? 2 times. 0. Want to write in the decimals or fraction? Decimals. Added 0. Okay, here added 0. So put how many times? 2 times is 10. So 120.2 is the answer for this mixed fraction. Okay, remaining problems homework. And third one, convert the following unlike decimal into the like decimals. So you have used easily write. Is it? Third problem, unlike decimal. First one, 1.2 comma 2.25 comma 3.175 comma 5.2. So highest decimal part is 100th place. What is given? 100th, 10th, 100th, sorry, 1000th place is given. Okay. So we have convert all the unlike decimals to like decimals. Okay. So like decimals are, so how many zeros added? 1.200. 2 point already 2 decimals parts are there, added 1 0. Okay, already here 3 decimal values here. That's it. Next one is homework. Fourth, like decimal into the unlike decimal. Fourth one is like decimal to the unlike decimal. So first one 63.500, 265.250, and then 50.626. So convert the unlike decimals. So 0 added, is it? Remove the zeros in the decimal part. Okay. So unlike decimals are 63.5. Remove the 2 zeros. And next 265.25. And then 50.626. That's it. Next one of that homework. Fifth problem. Add the following. First A and B are homework. I will do the C problem. 720.62 and 523.690 and 120.007. So first unlike decimal to like decimals. So 720.620, okay, 523.690 and then 120.007. Now add 7, 11, 13, 4, 6, 13. So 1364.317 is the answer for this problem. Okay, you will write the answer. 720.62 plus 523.690 plus 120.007 is equal to 1364.317. 317. Okay, so D also homework. Now sixth problem. Find the difference. Find the difference means subtraction. Difference means subtraction. Okay, so A, B, now homework. Now do the C problem. 1987.5 subtract 928.62 is given. Okay, see. So first convert the like fractions. So like fraction 1987.50. Okay, after write the next one of that 9. Write from this side. Okay, 2, 6, 8, 2, 9. We know that, so I have write directly. You will write any one of the addition or subtraction multiplication. Write from the right side. Write from the right side. Okay. So 10, 8, 4, 14, 8. Okay. Plus 6, 16, 8 plus 7. So 7, 5, 0, 1. So answer is 1058.88. You will write here like this. Okay, right. So answer for this problem is equal to 1058.88. Now see the D problem. 3485.26 difference of 2123.135. See the solution. First change to the which one? Like fraction, sorry, like decimals, So change 3485.260 minus 212335. Okay. So subtract now. 0.260 and then 2123.135. So 5 5 2 1 2 6 3 1. So the answer is 5 is equal to 1362.125. Okay, remaining problems are homework. I will write the homework in the sign. Revision exercise. First BD and second BD, third B, fourth B, fifth one A, B, D, and sixth one A and B. Okay, I hope everyone understood this today concept. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt to me. Thank you, students.